Introducing the SKE Crystal CL6000, the ultimate pre-filled pod system for flavor, convenience, and style. With a sleek, transparent body and a compact, ergonomic design, this device is perfect for vaping on the go. Each pod delivers up to 6,000 smooth puffs, so you can enjoy longer-lasting sessions without worrying about frequent replacements. The CL6000 is designed with a magnetic pod connection system that ensures a firm, leak-proof fit every time. Its transparent body lets you easily check your e-liquid level, while the ergonomic shape makes it comfortable to hold. Say goodbye to messy refills and disposable waste. This rechargeable pod system combines convenience with eco-conscious design. Powered by an 800 mAh rechargeable battery and advanced dual-mesh coil technology, the CL6000 delivers instant, flavorful vapor with every inhale. The auto draw activation means there are no buttons to press, just inhale and enjoy. With a smooth mouth-to-lung draw and a satisfying throat hit from 20 milligrams nicotine salt, every puff is consistent and enjoyable. Choose from 10 premium flavors, including fruity Blue Razz Lemonade, icy cherry ice, sweet fizzy cherry, and refreshing watermelon ice. Whether you prefer tangy, sweet, or icy notes, there's a flavor for every taste. Each pod is carefully crafted to deliver consistent flavor and vapor production throughout its lifespan. A single pod can last 3 to 6 days depending on your usage, while the 800 mAh battery ensures you can power through your day with just one charge. USB-C fast charging fills the battery in about 80 minutes, keeping your device ready whenever you need it. Compact, stylish, and powerful, the SKE Crystal CL6000 is perfect for beginners transitioning from disposable vapes or experienced users seeking a hassle-free, flavorful experience. Experience smooth hits, long-lasting pods, and the convenience of a rechargeable system, all in one sleek device. SKE Crystal CL6000. Style, convenience, and flavor, all in one. Upgrade your vaping experience today.